Okay, today we are going to do a practice page on CVCe syllables with prefixes and suffixes. If you have this worksheet in front of you already and it's already printed off, great. If not, grab a scrap piece of paper or turn to a clean page in your spiral notebook. And we're going to start off by reading in the first box. It says a syllable that has the vowel consonant E pattern often has the long vowel sound. In the word excite, the syllable sight has the long I sound, as you can see this magic E, okay? In part A, it says circle 4 words in the box that have a vowel consonant E syllable. Then write the syllables in each circled word. Okay, let's look at the first word. The word is compete. Let's try to break that apart. Eat. Did you hear the long E in that? I did too. And it also has the E at the end that jumps over that letter to tell that vowel you've got to say your own name. Okay, so that is one of our words, okay? So in that word, compete, we're going to break it apart into syllables. So you can take your hand and put it under your chin, and then when you say the word, however many times your mouth goes down, that's how many syllables there are. So let's say it, compete. Okay, so there's 2 and there's 2 spaces there. So compete. So in the first syllable, the letters are C-O-M, com, and then the second syllable has the word Pete. So if you were to say compete and putting your hand underneath your chin, and each time that your mouth opened, the first syllable would have com, and then the second syllable would be Pete. All right, so let's look at the next word, tiger. Let's segment that. T-I-G-er. Okay, do you hear a long or short vowel in there? T-I-G-er. Oh yeah, I hear a long vowel. But you know what? That doesn't follow our CVCe rule. Because look, at the end of tiger is an R. We're looking for the silent E. So tiger does not belong. So let's X him out. Okay, we should have circled that guy, sorry. All right, the next word, replace. Let's try to break it apart so we can hear all the sounds. Replace. Replace. What vowel did you hear in replace? Now remember, replace, re is a prefix, okay? Place is the root word. So place. I hear the long vowel, A, which means the E is going to tell the A to say A. So this follows the rule. And then we're going to break this word apart. So it's replace. Put your hand underneath your chin, replace. So in the first syllable, we have the prefix re, and then in the second syllable, we have the root word place. Great. Okay, moving along. Let's look at the next word, zebra. Let's break it apart. Zebra. You said what? Oh, yes, yes. The E in zebra does say E, but do you see any super E, magic E, silent E at the end? Nope. So this one does not follow. Okay, let's look at the next one. Arrive. R, I, V. Arrive. Syllables. Arrive. Super E jumps over, tells that I to say I. So we're going to break this apart into syllables. And to break that apart, we have to, do you see the two R's together? Okay, we have to split those R's apart. Okay, those are the two consonants together. So what we're going to do is we are going to put AR on the first line and then RIVE on the second line. And that's how we split those up into syllables, that word up into syllables. And then we're going to circle that. And then the last one, since there's only one place for that, that one's going to be one of ours. So let's break it apart. Pollute. Pollute. Okay, I see that silent E jumps over that T to make the U say you. So this is another one where the two consonants are together. So we need to break them apart. So we're going to write poll, P-O-L, and then L-U-T-E. Perfect. All right. Halfway there, guys. All right, the next box, we did this earlier in the week, and it's talking about the prefix. It says a prefix is added to the beginning of a word. A suffix is added to the end of the word. Prefix, pre, means beginning or before. Suffix is at the end. So here are the prefixes. We can see re, which means again. Un and dis mean not or the opposite of. Suffixes come after the root word. The suffix full means you're full of. Less means without. So on part B, it says to read each clue, then write a word with the prefix or a suffix to match each clue. So let's see if you all remembered this from the other day, the tutorial. If we are full of joy, we're not going to say we're full joy, are we? No, we're going to take our word, joy, and then we're going to add our suffix right here, full, not F-U-L-L. There's only one L, F-U-L, joyful, full of joy, joyful. All right, number 6. If someone is not wise, remember, if someone is not wise, let's look up here. Do you see the word not? Look up here in your box. Oh, I see it right there again. So that prefix un means not. So if you are not wise, you are unwise. Unwise. Okay, number 7. A lot of you all are this on the playground when you all do your the monkey bars and doing your flips and everything. It says without fear. If we don't have any fear, we are without it. See your key word right here, without. What's the suffix? Less. So we will be fearless. Good job. Okay, number 8. Visit again. To visit again, for example, if I say, well, we will visit this again talking about a story that we read throughout the week, and we read it over and over a few times. So when I say, well, we're going to visit this again tomorrow. So to visit again, look up here at your prefix. The prefix again is re, so we are going to re again. No, we are going to revisit. Revisit. Okay? And the last one, number 9, it's the opposite of approve. So if I don't think it's a good idea if you guys run in the hallway, I am not approving that. I am what? Disapproving it. So the opposite of approve is disapprove. All right. Great job, guys. See you later.